My name's Ben. I study Games Development and Coding, Level 3 in Cardiff and Vale College. I really enjoy this course that I'm on. I picked it because I'm fascinated about video games, how they're made, how software applications on your phone are made. I found the college really welcoming, made a lot of new friends. I like the staff, the pupils. I also like the course variety, and also I like the new skills that I've learned and what I've actually been able to do. At college, I definitely feel like I get treated more like an adult. The teachers actually speak to you properly face to face. I've done some work experience at Williams F1 headquarters. I managed to join and participate in the sim racing sector of it. And also I got the chance to look at their factory where I got to look at the cars, while also how they stream esports and how they do their social media marketing. When I finish the course, I'll probably either do an internship with Williams F1, go to uni, or I'd probably contact another Formula 1 team to do their social media marketing, being as I've got the experience now. Overall, I found it really good and really welcoming, and I definitely recommend Cardiff and Vale College.